Once upon a time in a bustling city, there was a talented nail artist named Lily. Despite her exceptional skills, she struggled to gain recognition in the competitive nail industry. Determined to stand out, Lily experimented with various techniques until she stumbled upon a unique idea, using tea stirring as inspiration for nail art. Lily began creating intricate designs inspired by the swirling patterns formed when tea was stirred. Her creations captivated people's attention and soon gained popularity on social media. As her following grew, so did her reputation as a trendsetter in the nail art world. However, with success came envy and rivalry. Other nail artists felt threatened by Lily's innovative approach and sought to undermine her. One particularly jealous competitor, Mia, spread rumors questioning the originality of Lily's designs, claiming they were nothing more than a passing fad. Undeterred, Lily continued to push the boundaries of nail art, incorporating elements of drama into her work. She organized nail art competitions, where she challenged other artists to showcase their creativity using unconventional materials like tea leaves and stirring implements. These competitions sparked heated debates within the industry and generated buzz among nail art enthusiasts. Meanwhile, Lily's personal life also became entangled in drama. She found herself torn between her passion for nail art and the pressures of maintaining her newfound fame. Rumors and gossip circulated about her relationships and motives, adding fuel to the already fiery atmosphere of the nail industry. Despite the challenges and setbacks, Lily remained resilient. She used the drama surrounding her to fuel her creativity, channeling her emotions into her art. Her nail designs became a reflection of her journey, each stroke telling a story of resilience, perseverance, and triumph in the face of adversity. In the end, Lily emerged not only as a renowned nail artist but also as a symbol of inspiration for aspiring creatives.